Are your concrete batches failing strength tests, or your asphalt mixes cracking prematurely? You might blame the raw materials, but the real culprit could be sitting right on your lab bench. Today, we are exposing the hidden errors in moisture analyzer calibration that are secretly ruining your construction material tests. Welcome back to the Certified MTP channel, your premier destination for the best materials testing equipment, industrial tools, and expert advice. If you are working in the civil engineering or construction materials industry, you know that moisture content is not just a minor detail. It is a critical metric dictating the structural integrity, durability, and safety of your final product. Whether you are dealing with soil compaction, hot mix asphalt, or calculating the precise water to cement ratio in concrete, an inaccurate moisture reading can lead to catastrophic project failures, rejected loads, and thousands of dollars in lost revenue. However, many technicians simply place a sample on their moisture analyzer, press a button, and blindly trust the number on the screen. In this comprehensive guide, we are going to dive deep into why your moisture content test results might be entirely wrong due to hidden calibration errors, and how to fix them using industry-leading equipment. Before we look at the specific equipment, we need to understand the science of where things go wrong. A moisture analyzer is essentially two highly sensitive instruments combined into one unit, a precision analytical balance for weighing and a heating element for drying. If either of these systems is out of calibration, your results are completely invalid. The first hidden error is temperature miscalibration. Over time, heating elements naturally degrade. You might set the machine to dry your aggregate sample at 110 degrees Celsius, but the actual chamber temperature might only be reaching 95 degrees. This results in underdrying, leaving residual moisture in the sample and giving you a falsely low moisture content percentage. Conversely, if the temperature overshoots, you might actually burn or decompose organic materials within your soil sample, leading to a falsely high moisture reading because the machine interprets the loss of burned mass as lost water. The second major hidden error involves the internal weighing mechanism. Construction laboratories are often dusty, vibrating, and subject to wide temperature swings. This harsh environment can cause the load cell inside your moisture analyzer to drift. If the balance is not regularly calibrated using certified check weights, the initial wet weight and the final dry weight will both be inaccurate. Since moisture content is a strict mathematical ratio of initial weight minus final weight divided by the initial weight, even a fraction of a gram of error can throw off your entire batch calculation. Furthermore, environmental interference is a massive unseen variable. If your analyzer is placed under an air conditioning vent, the draft can push down on the weighing pan, creating artificial weight fluctuations. Improper sample preparation is another culprit. If you take a large, clumpy sample of wet clay and do not spread it evenly across the sample pan, the surface will dry and create a hard crust, trapping moisture inside the clump. The machine will think the sample is fully dried because the weight stops changing, but hidden moisture remains trapped inside. To eliminate these errors, you must use high-quality, properly calibrated equipment and follow exact standard operating procedures. Let us look at how to properly use some of the top-tier equipment available at Certified MTP to avoid these exact errors, starting with the 𝐒 MB120 Moisture Analyzer. This unit offers a capacity of 120 grams with an impressive readability of 0.001 grams. It is an absolute powerhouse for testing construction materials. To use the 𝐒 MB120 simply and effectively, follow these steps. First, ensure the machine is perfectly leveled using the adjustable feet in the built-in leveling bubble. Turn the unit on and allow it to warm up. Place a clean, empty sample pan into the pan handler, lower it into the chamber, and close the lid to press the tare button. This zeroes out the weight of the pan. Next, open the lid and carefully distribute your aggregate or soil sample evenly across the pan, making sure there are no large mounds. The MB120 has a fantastic feature called Smart Guide. If you are unsure of the correct drying temperature for a new material, select the Smart Guide function on the touchscreen. It will automatically analyze a sample and generate an optimized heating profile that prevents burning while ensuring complete drying. Once your profile is selected, simply close the lid. The analyzer will automatically begin the halogen heating process, graphing the moisture loss in real time on the digital display, and it will shut off automatically when the weight stabilizes, giving you a perfect reading. Next, we have the 𝐒 MB90 Moisture Analyzer. This is the slightly smaller sibling to the MB120, offering a 90-gram capacity and the exact same 0.001 gram readability. The MB90 is perfect for labs that have established routine testing protocols and do not necessarily need the automatic method development of the Smart Guide feature. Operating the 𝐂𝐻𝐭𝐲 MB90 is incredibly simple and intuitive. Start by leveling and powering on the machine. Use the ergonomic pan handle to insert your disposable aluminum sample pan and hit the tare button to zero the scale. Once zeroed, open the heating chamber and add your construction material sample. Remember, for maximum accuracy, always spread the material as thinly and evenly as possible to maximize surface area exposure to the halogen lamp. On the MB90's touchscreen, you will manually input your specific testing parameters. You can select the standard drying profile and type in your required temperature, for example, 110 degrees Celsius for standard sand and aggregates. You will also set your shutoff criteria, typically setting it to stop when the weight loss is less than 1 milligram over 60 seconds. Close the lid to start the test. The unit will heat up rapidly, and the display will show you the percentage of moisture content as it climbs. When the test finishes, wait a moment before using the pan handle to safely remove the hot sample. For applications requiring unparalleled precision, we look to the A and D MS70. It has a 70-gram capacity, but steps up readability to an astonishing 0.1 milligrams. This extreme accuracy is essential for highly refined materials like specialized cementitious powders or advanced polymer resins. To operate it, ensure a completely vibration-free workspace to protect the ultra-sensitive superhybrid sensor. Tare your pan, spread your powder evenly, and use the bright display to select from 5 measurement programs and 4 heating modes. The MS70's unique straight halogen lamp and secondary radiation assist filter guarantee incredibly fast, uniform heating without scorching sensitive samples. Finally, the heavy-duty workhorse, the CompiTrack Max 4000 XL. This ruggedized loss-on drying instrument is purpose-built to handle the toughest materials that challenge standard optical systems, including heavy plastics and thick asphalts. The workflow is slightly different. First, let the chamber reach its idle temperature. Place a clean pan inside and wait for the display to indicate it is within 2 degrees of your target temperature. Once ready, quickly add your sample and close the lid to automatically begin. The Max 4000 XL features powerful multi-stage testing, automatically measuring both surface and chemically bound moisture in a single run and graphing it all in real time. To ensure these advanced machines do not fall victim to the hidden errors we discussed earlier, strict calibration is non-negotiable. Routinely use certified NIST traceable weights and temperature calibration kits to verify your machine's accuracy in its actual working environment. Ready to eliminate moisture content errors and upgrade your lab with the 𝐂𝐻𝐿 MB120, MB90, A and D MS70, or CompiTrack Max 4000 XL? Click the CertifiedMTP.com link in the description below right now. Hit that like button, subscribe to the Certified MTP channel for more industry-leading equipment guides, and drop your moisture analysis questions in the comments. See you in the next video.